Also in the lush temperate zones across Colombia is a tiny winged wonder. Flitting between the flowers are over 147 species of hummingbird, more than anywhere else on Earth. Legend says they are sent to Earth to seduce the moon, and that they fly long distances on the back of geese. The truth is almost as incredible as the legends. Hummingbirds' wings beat around 60 times a second. They can visit up to 5,000 flowers a day, consuming twice their body weight to get enough energy. And because each flower is a precious feeding station, the territory needs defending. The battle over, the winner keeps its flower. The loser will have to try his luck somewhere else.